Today, let's take a look at a kit by DEWALT. This is their drywall kit for the DCF630, their newest drywall gun. Absolutely love this drywall gun. If you're looking at getting a drywall gun, this is something for you. It has new modes on the top, which are amazing. So we're gonna run through it. This kit is coming with a charger and two 2-amp-hour batteries. We're gonna screw some screws into this drywall over here, and I'm gonna show you all the little specs on this. So for starters, we've got a clip on the top. This is so you can just attach it to your pants or your belt. You've also got a clip on the side, which can be reversed and put on the right-hand side if you want, depending if you're a lefty or a righty. This untwists, comes off, so now you can get into those tight little corners, or you can take your screws out if you need to. But also you can attach a magazine to this for a magazine system, which is really, really nice. Your depth of adjustment is on the nose here, giving this a twist. That sets your depth. Most importantly, on the top, we've got a few different modes. So I'm gonna put a battery in. Starting off with the first mode, this is the slower mode. So when I pull on the trigger, the tool is gonna run a little slower. Press it again. Now we are on 2 and 1. That's my favorite mode. We're gonna get back to that in a second. Number 2 is a faster mode. Press that again. 2 and 1 is my favorite mode. This one, you don't even have to pull the trigger. You just put the screw on and push, and it's just gonna screw in for you. I'm gonna show you that one. And then lastly, we have the all lit up. So as soon as I pull the trigger, it's going to just run. A lot of guys like to run with that mode. It does kill your battery quicker, and that's why I like mode 2 and, well, with the 2 lights on. So we're gonna go to that mode, and I'm gonna show you some screwing here. Put the screw on the end. Make sure you're holding it with your finger forward and your thumb up here, and you just push. And that's it. So let's pound in a couple screws. You can see I'm riding a little high, so I've got to set my depth. Just give it a couple turns. A little better. Really great gun. Love this kit. This thing is brushless, so it's gonna last a really long time. The overall grip on this is much more comfortable than the previous model, so I'm really liking this. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.